A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agree to repay with a total interest of rupees 1360 in 12 monthly installment. Each installment being less than the preceding one by 40. This is important information. Each installment is less than preceding installment means next installment by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and the last installment. So you need to find out T1 or Tn. T1, that is A. Tn means last installment. There are total 12 installments. So you need to find out value of A and then T12. So these are two requirements for this question. Now, first we will write down what is given. So here principal amount, is how much? 8,000. Interest, interest is 1,360. So total amount due or payable, amount payable is 9,360. So this is the amount which we need to pay, or this person supposed to pay 9,360. This 9,360 will be paid in 12 installments, right? And those 12 installments would be in a such a way that each preceding installment should be less by 40. So this is the given information. So according to this information, amount payable is 9,360. So if you start paying your debt, so whatever amount you will pay in your in first month, then you will pay in the second month, in third month, 4 month, continuously for 12 months, right? It is mentioned that the amount will be paid in 12 months. So if you make total of all the amount that has been paid from first month to 12 month, it should be equals to 9,360, because we going to pay our principal amount and interest amount, not more than that or not less than that. So from first month to last month, whatever you will pay, the sum should be 9,360. So here I can say sum of 12 terms, that is S12. Sum of all 12 terms is 9,360, right? Then number of terms, that is number of installments. So n is how much? 12 here. Each installment is less by each preceding installment is less 40 by previous install as compared to previous installment, which means this 40 gives me difference between two consecutive installment. Suppose I am paying 500 in the first installment, so my next installment would be less 40 less than the 500, that is 460. So my first term will become 500 and my second term will become 460. So when you subtract first term from second term, you will get minus 40. So here common difference between two consecutive term is minus 40. This is common difference. You need to find out first installment and last installment. First installment, that is T1 or A. Last installment means T12. So these two things we need to calculate for this question, and these are the given information. S12 9360, N12 D minus 40, these are given information. Now, in order to find out first and last installment, first and last installments are actually number of terms, but we're not going to use TN formula because information is given regarding sum of all the terms. So we will use SN formula here. SN equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula which we can use to find out sum of nth term. Sn, that is S12. Here we are talking about 12 terms. N is 12 upon 2 into bracket 2a. We don't have a. A is first term, first installment. Again, n is 12 minus 1, common difference minus 40. S12 is a 9360. So here we can write 9360, and this 12 by 2 will become 6 into bracket 2a plus 12 minus 1, that is 11 into minus 40. Now this can be simplified as this 6 is multiplying to the left hand side, so we can send it to the right hand side. It will divide, and on the left hand side you will have 2a plus minus. This is plus and this is minus. So this is positive 11 and this is negative 40. So when I'll multiply negative 40 with positive 11, so the product would be negative. So minus 11 fours are 44, that is 440, is equals to, on the other side we have 9360. This 6 can be transposed to the right left hand side, so it will divide. So 2a minus 440 is equals to 6 ones are 6. When you divide this 9 by 6, yes, here you will get you will left with 33. 6 5s are 30. Again we have 3. 6 6 are 36 and 1 0. So here we have 2a minus 440 is 1560. So what I can do, I can keep 2a on its place, 1560 on its place, and this minus 440 can be sent to the right hand side, will become plus 440, right? So a is equals to 1560 plus 440. It will give me 2000 upon 2. This 2 can be sent to the right hand side. So this way you can have value of a as 1000, right? So this is your first term. First term is 1000. Yeah, oh sorry, first installment is 1000. A, that is first installment, and we need to find out first installment and last installment. So first installment is 1000 and last installment we need to calculate. Last installment is T12. So we can use TN formula to find out 12th installment. Now, here A 1000, that is first term, common difference minus 40, and I think this is sufficient information to find out T12, and we need to find out T12, that is last installment. So we can use Tn formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn, that is T12, A 1000 plus 12 minus 1, common difference is minus 40. So this T12 will become 1000, 12 minus 1, 11 minus 40. So T12 is 1000 minus 440. Yes. Then T12, that is last installment. When you subtract 440 from this 1000, what you will get? 550, 560. So this is your 12th installment. 12th installment means last installment. So your final answer, first installment, first installment is rupees 1000, and since every consecutive in every successive installment is decreases by 40, so your last installment is 560. This way you can solve this question. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yes. This is question number 3. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme in first year. He invested rupees 5000. So Sachin's investment, first we will write. Sachin's investment is actually is in arithmetic progression actually. In the first year he invested rupees 5000, right? In second year he invested rupees 7000. In third year he invested rupees 9000. So this investment is in AP, arithmetic progression, where the common difference is same. So here you can say A is 5000, D is 2000. Common difference is 2000. We need to find out total amount that he invested in 12 years. 12 years is now is number of terms. So n is 12. And I think this is sufficient information to find out your total investment made by the Sachin in 12 years. Because we have first term, we have common difference, we have number of years. So formula is first term, sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S12 we need to calculate 12 upon 2, 2a, 2 into 5000 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into d. D is 2000. So this way you can substitute all the given information, all the given numbers and values in the formula. So you will get this expression: 12 divided by 2, that is 6. In the bracket 5000 into 2, that is 10,000. Here we have plus 12 minus 1, that is 11 into 2000. So this is 6 into bracket 10,000 plus 11 to the 22,000. So here 6,000 into bracket 10,000 and 22. 22 into 22 plus 10 will give you 32,000 into 6. So this is 1,92,000. So total investment made by Sachin in National Savings Certificate in 12 years is 1,92,000.